Hi, I'm Steve Bowman, Associate Engineer at PCWA. I'm the project manager for the Rocklin main replacement project. The purpose of this project is to upgrade important infrastructure that will enhance long-term water reliability for the residents of the city of Rocklin. Today, I'm on Midas Avenue. This is where phase 1 of the project will occur. This phase will focus on replacing an aging water main along Midas Avenue between 2nd Street and Argonaut Avenue. Construction will begin on October 21st and is expected to end in June of 2025. Traffic control will be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Two-way traffic will be maintained, but flow is expected to be slower than usual, so please plan accordingly. Flaggers will be on site to assist with pedestrian access. Water service will remain largely unaffected, with only brief interruptions anticipated as crews tie in new pipes. Residents will receive advance notice of any planned water shutoffs. Temporary no parking signs will be placed along construction work areas. We understand that construction can be an inconvenience, and we truly appreciate the community's patience as we work to improve Rocklin's water infrastructure. To stay up to date on project details, please visit pcwa.net/Rocklin Main.